So I'm having problem with my cigarette lighter thing that plugs into this socket. It doesn't work. This is for my portable compressor and the light. Nothing happens. So I'm gonna see what's wrong with this, and I think the problem is with this piece. It's not making contact because sometimes when I push it in and hold it, then it works, and it doesn't work otherwise, and now it's not working at all. So I'm just gonna take it inside and open this piece up and see what's going on with it. So I think the problem is in this plug. Looks like that this metal pin is pushed inside. It has to come out a little bit to make good contact inside. So what I'm gonna do, there's a screw here. I'm gonna open it up and see if I can fix this. So it's got a Phillips screwdriver head. Oh, it's got open. The screw fell off. I'm gonna just put it aside. I'm gonna use a flathead screwdriver on the side and see if this helps. Okay, yes, it did. Just don't want to break. So everything is coming out. Oops. There's this little fuse there too. I don't know if the fuse is broken. Looks like fuse is fine. Okay, I'll keep it aside. I'm gonna see what to do with this pin. Actually, I want to expand this hole here. I want to make it bigger so that I want to expand this hole. I want to make it bigger so the pin can slide in and out easily, because I think there is a spring behind it. So I made this sit like this, both end, and this one, oh, it came out again. I think I dropped my pen. Goes back in here. This wire goes like that. I just have to force this in. I forgot the fuse. That's probably why it was giving me a hard time. So it has to sit like this, and then just slide this in very carefully. And don't forget to put this back in. The pin is straight too, and it's a little bit more out than what it was. I'm just gonna put this screw back in. So here is the final outcome. Yeah, it's working much better. Before it was a lot more in, and I've also put the screw back in, and then it's time to test it in the vehicle if it's working now. It's time to check if it's working. Just gonna plug it in and see if this light turns on. Yes, it does. Or the compressor. Yes, it's working. So that's really good. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe my channel for more videos.